These cabinets were hiding way more chaos than I realized. With a few simple Amazon storage finds, I cleared the clutter, tossed all the junk, and organized under the bathroom sinks. Short, sweet, and so satisfying. What lives under your bathroom sink? For me, it was piles of junk, tons of unused things that have been there for way too long. I ordered some stackable cabinet shelves and some clear pull-out organizers from Amazon. They were all super easy to put together. I did it in under 10 minutes. They're pretty sturdy and exactly what my space needs. Honestly, I think they're going to work out just perfectly. Here they all are put together, ready to go into my cabinet. After I clear out all the junk and decide what's trash, what I'm keeping, and what I'm giving away, and here's my reveal. If you're interested in any of these organizers, I'll leave the links below for Amazon. These are affiliate links, so if you do shop through them, I may earn a small commission and no extra cost to you. Thank you so much for supporting my page.